Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view archived posts on Threads app, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your archived posts on your Threads, first open up your Threads app on your phone as I have already opened it. And after opening your Threads app, guys, on this interface you land over here, which is the home interface. And on this interface, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us at the bottom right corner. Tap on the person or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here, which is the profile interface of your Threads account. And on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a two-line icon available for us. Tap on the two-line icon at the top right corner of the screen, just beside the camera icon, and you land over here where you can see the fifth option here where it says archive, just below the saved or above the privacy. Tap on archive, and all of your archived posts will appear here where it says. Since I have not archived any posts on Threads, it's empty, but in your case, if you have archived any posts on Threads, they will be available over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to archive posts on Threads. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.